This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to give a quick overview of this lesson series, which accompanies Note Reading Book 3, more specifically the second edition of Note Reading Book 3, which is part of my method book series. Now, this book builds on what is taught in Note Readings Books 1 and 2, which are currently combined into one edition. So in Books 1 and 2, we learn how to read notes in first position on the guitar. We also learn about reading notation in general and reading rhythms, playing correct rhythms, playing those melodies on the guitar in first position. First position includes the open strings and then frets 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with Note Reading Book 3, we're actually going to work on reading notes, reading melodies, reading scale exercises, and so on. But reading notes, reading notation, and playing it on the guitar all along the fretboard. Now, one of the things that makes reading notes on the guitar really tricky once we get out of first or open position is that some notes exist in more than one place. Just for example, this top high E string, that E note also exists at the 5th fret on the 2nd string. It also exists at the 9th fret on the 3rd string and at the 14th fret on the 4th string, and then I could even play it on the 5th string, and if I cheated with a harmonic, I could play it on the 6th string. So that's 6 different places that I just played the same note. Now that makes it kind of hard. What we need is a scale system, something that allows us to approach the fretboard systematically as we're reading notes, and even as we're improvising or doing other things on the guitar as well. So in this book, in Note Reading Book 3, I teach a systematic way to approach playing the guitar with a scale system. We start in the key of C. That scale system also crosses over with the scale system that is taught in the theory and technique book, specifically the 2nd edition of that book, the new edition, which is so full of great things. So this scale system is great for improvising and it's great for reading notes, and the two books overlap in that way. So here in Note Reading Book 3, we're looking at reading notes with that scale system, and we'll learn to read those in the key of C all across the fretboard, and then we'll explore reading in other keys, and so it's going to be great. With each of the videos that go with this lesson series, I'll be explaining concepts and demonstrating things, and we'll be playing the exercises from the book together. Some of the videos are more explanative, and some are just playing these exercises together using the approaches that have been taught in previous videos. So, cool things. And when I say we're going to play these together, of course I mean we're going to be jamming together, you, me, and the band. If it's scale exercises, it'll be you, me, and the drums that help us stay in time and make it more fun. And when it's the songs, then we'll be playing right along with the tracks that I create for these lessons that have bass and drums and guitar accompaniment, so it's like playing in the band. As I have said in other videos, when I've taught at the university, and I have over 12 years of experience teaching at the university, over 20 years of experience teaching in person in lots of different settings, including private lessons for kids all the way through adults, and then a lot of experience teaching at the university level. But in all of the settings, whether it be a group class or an ensemble, an actual guitar ensemble, or some sort of band, or just private instruction, I always treat it like we're jamming together, like we're in a band, because playing music is a social experience. So reading notes can be a drag sometimes, but when we get to jam together playing music together, then it makes it a little bit more fun. So I have mimicked that here in these video online lessons. It's so great to be able to meet with you in this kind of setting. I want to bring that into this setting as much as I can. So of course we get to jam together on all the songs and exercises that are found in the book throughout the lesson series. So it's going to be super fun. We'll just get started. Now, if you haven't gone through books 1 and 2, that's okay, but there are some assumptions that are made. And the first one is that you already know about notation and how to recognize the notes on the staff. Won't be going over that. And also that you have a general familiarity, at least, with rhythm, how to play different rhythms, how to read rhythms, how to stay inside those time signatures, playing the correct rhythm as we play the melodies. Won't be going over that as well. There is in each of the lessons within the book a progressive nature. There's easier ones and there's harder ones, and you just kind of work through them. You can actually go through the book just doing the first few songs and exercises in each lesson, and then go back and work on more complex ones. So it's okay if you're a beginner, But there are those assumptions made. Won't be going over that. We're going to be jumping into the scale system and start reading right away as though you already know how to recognize the notes on the staff. We're just going to learn how to be reading those notes along the fretboard on the guitar. So that assumption is made, but you can jump into note reading book 3 by skipping 1 and 2 if you don't want to do first position first, or you can go through books 1 and 2 and master first position and just get used to reading melodies in general, and then jump in here with me in book 3 and we'll go through and learn to read all across the fretboard. Really great scale system that I use. Should be super fun to jam right along with me. It's a really great course. I'll see you in these videos.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.